Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. US markets ended higher on Friday as investors regained footing after a sharp sell-off triggered by rising treasury yields. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq gained 0.43% each, while the Dow Jones rose 0.98% or 518 points, supported by gains in healthcare stocks. Asian markets traded mixed today. Japan's Nikkei slipped 0.10%, while the Topix was flat. South Korea's Kospi fell 0.71%, although the Kosdaq gained 0.94%. Australia's ASX 200 advanced 0.33%. On Friday, Nifty closed at 24,252, up 20 points. The index is currently in a short-term consolidation phase, sustaining above its 50-day EMA despite forming a small bearish candle. The flat RSI, positioned below its reference line, reflects a lack of clear momentum on either side. GIFT Nifty is indicating a positive opening of around 70 points. At the opening, the key level to watch out for is 24,300, which is the upper band of the short-term falling channel. If the index sustains above this level, we could see an upside towards 24,400 and 24,500. However, the index needs to decisively close above this upper band to confirm a positive bias. On the downside, Friday's close of 24,252 will act as the immediate support, followed by 24,207. Concluding a highly volatile week on a flat but cautiously optimistic note, benchmark indices struggled to extend the relief rally as spiking global bond yields and elevated crude prices offset domestic institutional buying in banking and metals. The rupee remained flat at 95.64 against the US dollar, while FIIs withdrew 543 crores in cash, taking their monthly net inflow to 21,650 crores. Nifty futures fell marginally in a short build-up, with premiums narrowing from 61 to 34 points. Bank Nifty futures, however, rose 83.2 points on a long build-up, with premiums moving from 143 points to a 40-point discount. In the options market, positioning remained balanced with a one-to-one call and put bias. We saw call writing and put hedging, with both positions added at 24,300. Call positions were unwound at 24,700, while put positions were unwound at 23,800. This pulled Nifty's PCR slightly lower from 1.12 to 1.11, while Bank Nifty's PCR rose from 0.93 to 0.98. India's VIX jumped 4% to 11.19, reflecting the geopolitical risks embedded in the market. The FII long-short ratio improved from 0.10 to 0.11 as bullish FIIs added index futures and calls, sharply cut puts, and accumulated stock futures, indicating an attempt to support an opening gap up. Volatility long proprietary desks continued to accumulate index options while selling stock futures, leaving bearish clients severely unhedged. These clients cut index futures and options, making them vulnerable to panic-driven short covering. For today, keep 24,100 as the key support level and 24,400 as the major resistance for Nifty. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.